Hello friends, welcome to my channel English with KP. So today's topic is daily routine. So what is daily routine? A daily routine is a set of action you perform every day like waking up at the same time or hitting the gym each evening. So listen carefully to the daily routine and then repeat each sentences with me. So let's get started. My name is Kajal. I am 25 years old. I have a daily routine that I follow. Every morning I wake up and get out of bed. The first thing I like to do after I get up is I like to make the bed. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face to feel fresh. I do yoga first, then I take a quick shower. After that, I go to the kitchen and prepare breakfast for my family. I like to have sandwich with a cup of tea. Once I finish my breakfast, I get dressed and go to my office. During my break time, I usually meet my friends in the cafeteria. We talk and laugh together while having lunch. When my office is closed, I come back at home. When I arrive home, I like to relax for a while. I sit on the couch and watch my favorite TV show or reading a book. I cook dinner in the evening. Sometimes my kids help with the household work. I clean the dishes and sweep the floor. I enjoy spending time with my family. After dinner, I take a shower and get ready for bed. Before going to sleep, I like to read a bedtime story for my kids. I switch off the light, cuddle up in my cozy bed, and dream about the next day. My daily routine may seem simple, but it helps me stay organized and focused. I believe that having a routine makes my day more productive and enjoyable. Now you have to answer some question based on your daily routine. So first question is tell me what time do you wake up? Our second question is what do you like to eat in your breakfast? I hope you liked my video. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe.